These are the elevators at the Selby Public Library in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go to 2. They're Dover Impulses with the Miami logo. That was a weird noise. Before we go, here's a look at the library. Pretty cool if you ask me. We're gonna go back down to 1. Notice how the star is upside down for 1. It says elevator number 3. I'm guessing elevator number 1 is a service elevator. Elevator number 3 west. We're gonna switch cabs up to 2 and get a cab view going up. Shiny doors. £3,000 capacity. Yeah, I don't know what that noise is. We're gonna send this one down and grab the other one. It says it right here on the map. There's these 2 elevators, and then there's one more right there, which I believe is it's a staff only. So, there you have it. Elevator 1 is a service car. We're gonna go down to 1. Elevator number 2 east. So we're going to start with a cab view. So there's a white LED for 2. Interesting. Here's your inspection certificate. These were installed circa 1998. I believe that's the year this library was built. And that'll be it.